Alrighty. I'm leaving Columbus Marina. It's 9:15 and 9:20 and heading to the lock here. So let's see if they'll lock us through. This is the Stens lock. Stens lock master, still the one.
Stens lock master, still the one. Captain Chunk 1414.
14. Hi sir, I'm coming out of Columbus here and would like to lock through if I could please.
Right, Captain. It's going to probably be about 30 minutes or so. I have a northbound tow. He's pushing in the chamber now. And once he gets secure, I can get him started up, and then still need time to push out. So probably looking at about 30 minutes, I can get you down, Cap.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much. Little did I know, as I walked down this trail with Deb 48 years ago, that I would be cruising Still the One, my Sundancer 380. Down the Tennessee River, south on the Tombigbee known as the Tin Tom, and southeast across the Gulf of Mexico to Tampa Bay. My desire is to document this trip, to share with my family, because they are still the one to me. And if you'd like to come along on my journey as well, I hope you will enjoy. This is the Stennis lock. All right, looks like I got a good little wind here, so I'm gonna have to deal with that headwind. At least it's coming from straight on. That might help. Ease my way in, just like I have been. Well, we'll get in here, and the wall blocks the wind, so that helps. Okay, we're not, we're too much here. Too much. All right, so the plan today is to ease my way down to the Heafin Dam, anchor hopefully below the dam for the night. And so I'll go until I find a good anchorage for the night, and then from that point forward, head on into Kingfish the next day. All right, well, I'm at Tombigbee Dam. And I've got a barge coming out, and hopefully we'll be able to go right through. I was really confused there for a little bit because I thought the turn was going to be a lot, had another ways to go, but right on it. But it's been a smooth ride up until this point. This area, Pickensville, very nice. Nice lake, a lot of homes on the lake, a lot of homes up on stilts, well above what this dam is. Well, that's an interesting building up there. It looks like a paddle wheeler, maybe restored. Very interesting. Looks like it was restored maybe and put up on land, and maybe it's a historical monument. Light checker. Really? Probably could have slipped in front of them, but that wouldn't have been nice. So we'll follow. I'm coming up on Heathland Lock. Heathland Lock. Looks like the red buoy is all messed up. It should be over here to my left. It's way over here on my right. Get over here more in the center. I don't know. Which side should I go over that? I think the middle. Heathland Lockmaster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the lock, and then anchor right below the lock. There's a canal. I could have anchored right up here, but I want to get below the lock so tomorrow morning I don't have to mess with the lock. Anyway, so that's the plan. I'm going to Let's see if we can get him to respond. Heapland Lockmaster.
Bank Station College, 714, 14.
1-4. Hello, how are you today?
Doing good there, Cap. How about y'all?
I'm doing good. I'd like to lock down, please.
Roger, Roger. Cap, give me about 20 minutes. Get the cipher ready for you. I'll see you out back when I get her ready.
Thank you very much.
Oh, what's the name of your vessel?
Still the one.
Roger, Roger.
So, we got a confirmation of Lockmaster. All right, this time I'm gonna be ready. None of this stuff, I'm throwing a life jacket on after I get into the lock. Putting it on right now. Alrighty. Everything's good. Wonder if my service will be worse on top or better on bottom. Who knows? We'll see. But I'm looking forward to getting anchored. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna get some food. Then I've got some bait. Just gotta find it. I don't remember where I put the bait. I hope it's back in the locker back there. If it is, I'm gonna try to catch some catfish. But I hope this area that is off to the right after I pass the dam is an area that I can pull up into and, not have any traffic and all that. Although it's close to Gainesville, Alabama. Gainesville, Alabama. It's like the door is closed. Back her off here. So it's 5:30, so we got another hour and a half of light left. I picked up that one little stretch right before and blew the engines out. Ran her up to 27 miles an hour, about 3,600 RPMs. Right at that. And she ran smooth. So this is half of my destination today. Tomorrow, Kingfisher Marina, they have a spot for me, and I'll be there until Friday. I got the weekly rent. They say it's cheaper than the daily, so we'll see.
Lock, the vessel waiting to lock down.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Cap, I'm swinging my gates open now. Green light will be on shortly. Make sure that every side of your line's got a life jacket and you tie on your skirt. Also, Cap, go past the 200-foot marker at the top. Doesn't matter which side, but past the 200-foot marker.
I'm sorry. Say that again at the end.
Go past the 200-foot marker to tie, Cap. It doesn't matter which side you tie up on, just go past the 200-foot marker.
Okay, thank you. curious, is the river that winds around through town and out down here, is that acceptable to anchor at?
Captain, a lot of people do anchor in it. I personally cannot recommend or not recommend it. I'm just telling you, a lot of people do anchor there, and a lot of people enjoy the anchorage. Pretty much all I can tell you.
That's perfect. I didn't want to get a recommendation. I wanted to make sure I wasn't in an area I shouldn't be.
Yeah, Roger. That's fine, Captain. For obvious reasons, I can't recommend it. You know what I mean? But at the same time, like I said, a lot of people do use it and enjoy it, and you're welcome to anchor there for the night.
Great, thank you. In the meantime, I'm set and I'm going to turn off the cameras.